Before we dive in, take a quick second. Drop your favorite action camera in the comments, hit like, and subscribe so you don't miss when we finally get our hands on the DJI Action 6. Because this feels like a turning point for action cameras. Now, let's start with the big picture. DJI has been quietly building a serious reputation in the creator space, not just for drones, but for everything from handheld cameras like the Osmo Pocket 3 to audio gear like the DJI Mic 2, and even full production tools like the Ronin RS4 Pro gimbal. And with every new release, it's becoming more obvious. DJI isn't just competing with GoPro anymore. They're building an entire ecosystem for creators who want cinematic quality without bulky gear. So when talk started spreading about the DJI Action 6, the question everyone had was simple. Can it finally outshoot the GoPro Hero 12 Black? And looking at what we've been hearing from Tech Radar, DJI Forum insiders, and YouTubers like Potato Jet and DC Rainmaker, it genuinely might. From what's leaked so far, DJI seems to be pulling a lot of tech straight from the Osmo Pocket 3, including a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which would be a huge jump from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Action 4. In real-world use, that means you'd get better performance in low light, richer detail in shadows, and smoother highlight roll-off, all things that GoPro still struggles with when shooting under mixed lighting or at dusk. It's the kind of upgrade that matters more than flashy new filters or frame rates because it actually changes how your footage looks in everyday conditions. And that's where DJI tends to excel, real-world shooting. Whether you're filming a mountain ride through Colorado, walking through the night streets of Tokyo, or vlogging in your kitchen, their cameras have a way of balancing exposure and color that feels natural. A lot of that comes from their experience fine-tuning color science across drones like the Mavic 3 Pro and the Air 3. So if the Action 6 inherits that same dynamic color processing, it's going to feel less like a traditional action cam and more like a tiny filmmaking tool. Then there's the topic every creator cares about, stabilization. DJI's Horizon Steady already set a high bar, matching GoPro's Hypersmooth in most tests. But insiders say Action 6 might take it further, using a combination of mechanical calibration and AI correction, similar to what DJI's drones already do mid-flight. So that could mean even steadier results when you're running, skiing, or filming high-speed rides without that weird, floaty digital look. Now, about overheating, that's been a deal-breaker for both DJI and GoPro users. The GoPro Hero 12 Black still gets warm after about 25 minutes of 4K 120 FPS recording, especially in the sun. And the DJI Action 4 wasn't much better. But from what people close to the company have hinted, DJI has completely redesigned the internal structure on the Action 6 to improve airflow and heat distribution. So theoretically, you could film longer sessions like downhill biking or time-lapse shoots without worrying about shutdowns. Another thing that gives DJI an edge is usability. Their magnetic quick mount system is still one of the smartest mounting solutions out there. You can go from a chest rig to a helmet mount in seconds. No tools, no screws. It's small, but it changes how you shoot. Combine that with DJI Mic 2 compatibility and you're basically ready for vlogging right out of the box. Stable footage, clean audio, and no messy setup. That's something GoPro still hasn't fully nailed even with their accessories. And while we're at it, workflow matters. The DJI Mimo app has evolved into a genuinely solid post-shoot tool. It's faster than GoPro Quick, supports LUTs, and makes it easy to publish straight to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. For creators who edit on the go, that's huge. And if DJI links it with the same real-time AI editing found in the DJI Fly app like automated scene detection or sky replacement, the Action 6 could blur the line between filming and editing in a way that GoPro hasn't quite figured out yet. Now, let's talk pricing, because this is where things get real. If DJI keeps it in the $399 to $449 range, just like the Action 4, it's going to make a lot of creators reconsider where their money goes. The Insta360 Ace Pro sits around $479, and the GoPro Hero 12 Black is $449 at launch. So if the Action 6 offers a bigger sensor, better color tuning, longer recording, and a simpler workflow at that same price, it's a direct hit. The bigger picture here is what DJI has been doing over the last few years. From the Pocket 3's cinematic image quality, to the Mini 4 Pro's AI tracking, to the Mic 2's pro-level wireless audio, they're clearly not just chasing GoPro. They're building a connected, creator-first ecosystem. The Action 6 feels like the missing link that ties it all together. Your pocket-sized, ready-anywhere camera that plays perfectly with everything else DJI makes. So while we haven't had a hands-on test yet, it's pretty clear where this is heading. DJI is no longer just the drone company. They're becoming the brand creators rely on for dependable, well-designed, intelligent gear that actually fits how people shoot in 2025, whether that's travel vlogging, FPV biking, or professional YouTube content. So here's the question. Do you think DJI Action 6 can finally dethrone GoPro? Let me know your thoughts down below, and again, drop your top pick for the best action camera this year. We might just feature your comment in our next video when the Action 6 officially lands.